What's going on, YouTube family? It's me, the ZXP, the Predator, coming at you with this. I don't know why I'm doing this type of video, but I owe you guys two. So I try to do one a week, and I got something new in the shoot. Actually, I'll probably throw it into one video, but I want to give a big shout out to a friend of mine that hooked me up with something pretty cool. I had to make a swap on my seat, which you're gonna see in a little bit. But I also wanted to give a how-to. There's a couple of videos on my channel that are 360 cardboard enabled. What that means is, like, you can put VR glasses on and you can actually go on the ride with me. Now, when I first introduced this to the channel, unfortunately, it didn't take, because a lot of folks were like, I said it's a 360 video, like a true 360 video, not the pre-configured angles that we will select for you, right? So I'm gonna do a screen cap, probably do some narration on it to kind of show you how that works. Now, it's gonna be in vertical format, so please pardon that, but I don't use that software anymore. I still have that camera, but I don't know if I'm gonna go that route. But I might revisit some of the videos, or I'll link them in the description so you can kind of get a different perspective. I was one of the few to kind of allow that onto my channel, or I introduce it per se. But I don't want that to go to waste. So just stay tuned. I'll show you how that works. Hopefully I'm not making too much sound in the background, because I'm actually going to be doing it from the phone, so you kind of have an idea. I can't do the VR glasses setup per se, because it's a POV, so you actually have to put that on. But it works through your cell phone. It's a pretty cool experience. It's like you're literally going on the ride with us. So check it out. Let me know what you think. All right, folks. So like I said, I'm doing this from my phone. If you see the icon on the lower right where you can change the orientation of your screen, you can see the cardboard where if you tap it, oh, I can't do it that way. Yeah, you know what? I just got this phone. The last one, I wasn't able to do that, but it'll give you two points of view, and you can put them in the glasses and it'll create one point of view, or the POV. But we're gonna get this video started. Hopefully it's not too loud, but this is just a demo, right? Put the volume on. All right. So I'm doing this all off of my phone. I'm tilting it to my right, to the left. Then you can put your thumb on it and actually control the whole thing. So now I did this video about 5 years ago, and I wanted to give out a shout out to the riders who were there with me. But just a little fun fact. Yeah, you can actually control it. So yeah, you're in control of these videos. So with some folks who said, "Oh, I'm only seeing one angle," they left it like this. But if you turn it, go up, down, my right, your left, my right, you can see all of that. Oh, I missed that jacket. So we'll skip around a little bit. Yeah, it's some fun stuff, like I tell people, you gotta try to innovate, try to do some things with it, so I don't know if I can lower the volume of this, but yeah, we had a good time that day. So we're going to Mexico. Yeah, you can actually turn it a little bit too. Screw with the orientation a bit. Yeah, so literally you're in full control of your angles. So whoever was there on that ride with me, they can see themselves, or they can find themselves in my videos, So yeah. Who is this? This is an R1, I remember. But yeah, it's cool to have the technology there to, do some cool things, So, yeah, like I said, I'm not going to make this too long, but let me skip around a little bit. Oh, that was the ZX10, I remember. Now, pardon the grittiness. This was the 360 Fly camera who I had the partnership with for a short while. And they are now defunct, so I'm kind of on my own with support. But I still have some of these videos still on my camera and on my hard drive, so, you know, I can still put them up, but that's how it works, you know? So, let me see if I skip around for you. Let's see. And I'm jumping around. What the heck? Yeah, see, I like to get as many riders in view as possible. Yeah, I was picking up the pace a little bit. Looking for, I know Steve was on this ride too. But yeah, that's how it works, you know? You use your cell phone and you angle it, you pitch it up, pitch, roll, and yaw. It's all on you to manipulate the camera. So, all right. What's going on, YouTube family? ZXP in the building. Big shout out to Dacos who hooked me up with this. Man, new seat, more fitting. This one, maybe either a backup or I don't know. The honeycomb was cool, but I think this is more fitting to Zeus right now. You know, but we shall see. I'm gonna come back with everything installed. It does look lovely. Shout out to Revving to Riches. This looks similar to his seat. Looking pretty. But yeah, I think it's going to go a little better with the aesthetics of the bike. So, we'll be back. Testing without the solo column. Infinitely better. As soon, I didn't even lock it in yet. As soon as I dropped it on there, I couldn't even leave it like that. Obviously, that's going on there. But I guess it'll depend on how I'm feeling that day. But this one, man, look at that. And the cool thing, the black and the red, already going with the bike. Loving it. And with that, folks, the install is done. So, my prior seat and the new seat. The new seat, definitely, I'm liking that whole aesthetic. I think it goes more with the bike. Like, if you see the you know, just the whole, you know, weaving and all that. It legit, like, that's it. This one, gonna figure out what's gonna happen. Maybe rehome it or so, because this cut seat seems, I think they have the same depth in terms of the cut on there. Not too bad. Yeah, it caught some dust up in there, but there's nothing wrong with keeping both, so we'll see. But this has zx14 on it. Looking good, looking good. Let's get it from a distance. All right. And we're all done, folks. Make sure you rate, comment, subscribe. The man to make this ZXP. That's me, the Juggernaut. Alex Lexus, the Hunter. See you in the next one.